To set up the SunTech CT40's mobile stand with all optional accessories, you will need the deluxe mobile stand, the SunTech CT40 device, the SunTech CT40 barcode scanner and mount, the SunTech CT40 thermal printer and mount, and the basket. After we finish here, it should all look like this. Start by attaching the wheel caster base to the pole with 4 screws. Next, slide the basket onto the pole and attach with 3 screws. Then, attach the plastic plate using 4 screws. Next, attach the CT40 device onto the plastic plate using an additional 4 screws. The SunTech CT40 barcode scanner and printer each come with its own mount. The barcode scanner attaches to here if you do not have the printer mount. The printer mount should be attached to the back end of the mobile stand. Once you secure the printer mount to the stand, slide the printer onto the mount and then carefully press down until you feel it connect. Double check that the thermal printer is securely fastened. Now, your SunTech CT40 Deluxe mobile stand is set up. Thank you for watching.